Hello friend, today we shall discuss about topic decision making in projects. Friend, today's topic is very interesting. Friend, if you are working in any organization and managing different projects, so here basically friend, decision making is very important. So decision making in projects involve choosing the best course of action from several alternatives to achieve the project's goal. It ensures that the project stays on track, meets the deadlines and stays within the budget. Now the steps in decision making, it involves identify the problem or opportunity, make a meaning means that recognize what needs to be decided, collect the relevant data and information, then list the possible solutions or courses of action for the requirement, then evaluate the advantages or disadvantages of each alternative, select the best option for the requirement and implement the chosen alternative, evaluate the results of the decision to ensure it solves the problem. Now we can talk about example that choosing a project management software. Like your team needs a project management tool to keep track of tasks and deadlines. So you research various tools like Trello, Asana and Jira and look into their features, cost and user reviews. Then identify the alternatives means that like Trello, Asana and Jira are the possible alternatives of your requirement. Then like every alternate has their own advantages and disadvantages. For example, the Trello is easy to use, its free version available and good for small teams. Asana has more features than Trello. It integrates well with other tools, slightly more expensive, and Jira is best for large and complex projects, more expensive, steeper learning curve. Choose based on your team's size and budget. You decide Asana offers the best balance of features and cost. You sign up for Asana and start setting up your project. After a few months, you review if Asana is meeting your needs. If it is, you continue using it. If not, you might reconsider other options. Another example is deciding a project timeline. So your team needs to determine how long a new website development project will take. Okay, like you are implementing or building a new website. So for that reason, you consult with team members to understand the tasks involved and how long each task will take. Look at past similar projects for reference, and so that you have a required information. Then you identified the alternatives like finish the project in 3 months, or finish the project in 6 months, or finish the project in 9 months. So you make the advantages or disadvantages for each. For example, the 3 month, if you consider, then it's very tight schedule and there are high risk of missing deadlines and might need overtime as well. For 6 months, it is reasonable schedule, balanced workload and lower risk of issues. For 9 months, it is ample time but could lead to unnecessary delays and increased cost. So you choose the 6 month timeline because it balances the speed with a manageable workload. You create a detailed project plan with milestones and deadlines for the 6 month period. As the project progresses, you monitor whether you are staying on track. If you find you are falling behind, you might adjust resources or timeline to stay on course as well. So basically, this is basically reviewing the decision and evaluating and taking the right action on the right moment. Then, friend, here is a question that why decision making is important. Friend, ensures that projects are completed on time and within the budget. Obviously, this is the most important factor in any project. It helps to address issues before they become a very big problem, makes the best use of available resources including time, money and personnel. It involves team members in the process, improving cooperation and buy-in as well. Now we can talk about the tips for effective decision making. Friend, first we get input from team members to gather different perspectives. So it will basically raise the confidence level or involvement level of the team as well. It use data and evidence to guide your decisions. Be ready to adjust your decision if new information come to light. Make sure everyone understands the decision and their role in implementing it. So friend, these are the few tips for effective decision making, And by following these steps and tips, decision making in projects become a structured process that helps ensure successful outcome. So friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching.